Hello, my name is Tarini. Today I am in level 9. Today I'm going to be doing some mental theory in front of you.
2, 4, 6, add 2, 6, 5, add 1, 2, 4.
6, 3, 5.
2, 4, 5, add 1, 7, add 4.
4, 1, 9.
3, 2, 5, add 2, 1, 4, take away 2, 9, 5.
2, 4, 4.
5.14, take away 2.18.
2.96.
1.74, add 2.48.
4.22.
4852 times 6.
Can you please repeat?
4852 times 6.
29112.
6251 times 5.
31255.
64 divided by 8.
8.
56 divided by 7.
8. Thank you. Bye.